I'm gonna show you how to enter your sleeping bag after getting into the hammock. We have received quite a lot of questions about that, so this is my way of doing it. As long as you keep the balance in the middle of the hammock, you're quite secure moving around. Starting with the foot end, moving slightly up, putting my feet in the foot box of the sleeping bag. And then you can hold on to these, be very stable. So then there is no problem moving a lot, and simply pulling the sleeping bag under you. The most important thing is remembering to keep your balance in the middle, because it's very easy to feel more secure going towards the foot end, but then you will slide down toward the foot box. So always remember to move your body to a middle position, finding your balance in the middle so you don't keep on sliding downwards.